you feeling so sad? Why are you not happy? Do you think your happiness depends on some external factor? Then it will be very difficult for you to survive, because to do something in life, it is very necessary for a person to be happy, healthy, and wealthy, of course. But this wealth you will only be able to get if you work properly. And if you want to focus on your work and make sure to convert your dreams into reality, then you must have a healthy mind. A healthy mind requires what? Obviously, a happy mind. Once you are happy internally, then your mind will listen to your instructions and you will be able to give your best. So I want you to always give your best and leave the rest.